spotlighting the cushioning system of the Air Max Plus for fall 2025. After previewing a men's edition with bold Tuned Air branding, two upcoming grade school styles have surfaced, showcasing the same standout design. Originally introduced on Sean McDowell's 1998 Air Max Plus, Tuned Air technology marked a major shift in Nike's approach to air cushioning. It continued to influence several models through the late 90s and early 2000s, and its impact remains visible today in sneakers like the Air Max DN and Air Max DN8. The system relies on dual air chambers with varying pressures, optimizing impact transfer from heel to toe for improved bounce and comfort. These grade school versions of the TN feature oversized, stencil-style branding across the upper. Tuned appears on the lateral side, while Air is printed on the medial side, all framed beneath clear TPU overlays. This colorway combines black with university blue accents. Retail price is set at $145 US.